Hey Tracy, this is Ryan with KHB Construction, and today we want to talk about full home transformations and what they cost. To start this video, we want to talk about what a full home transformation is and how we get started in that process. So a full home transformation here at KHB Construction is at least a kitchen, flooring, paint, and one other space in the home. Now historically, we are typically doing kitchens, all the bathrooms in the home, all the flooring in the home, painting, carpentry, and really just a full home transformation. That could include fireplaces, staircases, whatever it may be in your home. Most situations we're coming into in Tracy, California is someone is moving into the area, whether to commute to work or have a forever home and retire, and they are buying a house and transforming the whole thing to really fit their vision. The costs I'm gonna use are a ballpark of historical jobs that happen, and these costs are just generalities. So your home will be a custom proposal to your space and to your vision. For this example, we're gonna use a 2,000 square foot home with a kitchen, a full bath, a hall bath, and flooring paint throughout the whole house. Let's start in the heart of the home, the kitchen. And that is where most of the time entertaining and time spent with family happens. And with that, it's usually the most expensive part of your full home transformation. Most kitchens in Tracy are coming out to around $85,000 for a custom kitchen. And that is a starting point. It can be as high as 100, 120, 140,000, and sometimes in similar cases as low as 65 to 75,000. We're gonna use 85,000 because it is a good ballpark number and it's historically accurate. Next up, we will talk about the master bathroom. Master bath, once again, you're spending a lot of time there as homeowners. Beginning of the day, ending the day in the same space. Master baths in Tracy typically start around 65,000. And that would deal with custom cabinetry, a new shower, freestanding tub, new electrical, new plumbing, new flooring, paint, baseboard, all the good stuff. So 65,000 is the starting point. Once again, we have done some for less and we have done some for quite much more, so it will determine on what you're looking for. Next up, we are going to the hall bathroom. Assuming this is a 3-bed, 2-bath home in Tracy, this hall bathroom is mostly for guests, so you want it to be aesthetically pleasing. You also want it to be functional. And so in this bathroom, we are accounting for a custom vanity, new countertop, plumbing fixtures, new shower, toilet, lighting, the whole nine, doing everything new in this space. And that typically starts off around 45,000. Once again, same caveat here, we can do that for more depending on your finishes, and we have done that for a little bit less. But 45,000 is historically the average of a hall bathroom transformation. Now, those are the main spaces of your home, and those are gonna be the biggest impacts, maybe besides flooring, but that's where the most of the cost is getting allocated to. The other places that we will be touching in these full home transformations is the flooring and paint. And flooring for a single story, 2,000 square foot home, you're gonna be around $20,000 with a 399 square foot LVP. Now, once again, there's that caveat, there is $8, $10, $12 plus flooring out there per square foot. And there's also some circumstances depending if you're on a slab or raised foundation when it comes to prepping the floor. But on average, we're gonna be around $20,000-ish for a full home of flooring and new carpentry. And last but not least here is the paint. We have new flooring, we have new cabinets, we have new carpentry, baseboards, casings, maybe crown molding, window casings. All of this needs to get painted, especially after demolition. We're putting up new drywall, we are taping, texturing this drywall. We need to paint the whole house. Painting this whole home is gonna start off around 15,000. And once again, depending on the fine finishes in the home with carpentry and the different applications we need to use to make a quality finish, that could be higher depending on your home. So if we add up all of these spaces in the home, on average, we're gonna come out to around 230,000 at a starting point for a full home transformation. Once again, there is some caveats to that. We've done some that are less than 230,000. We've also done full home transformations for much more than 230,000. So it's gonna depend on your vision, it's gonna depend on the design, the selections, the size of the home, all those things come into play when we're talking about price. The best thing that you can do if you're in Tracy is give us a call. We would love to talk to you about your full home transformation, work with your budget, and kind of consult you and walk you through that large process of getting your full home transformed. Go to kitchenhomeandbath.com, fill out the Get Your Quote form, and we will talk to you soon.